Hey friends, Naomi here with another stash box from M&C Glitter Co.
Friday! What did you do?
So we had some culture sculpt, CC DIY culture sculpt. It's good for forming things and making real cool, like those ice cream scoops. Some cute stickers, some decals to put on, tumblers or something else. I love this notebook. Times I was right, nobody listened. This crap might get filled up really fast. Just kidding. Okay, and one more thing. We also had some vinyl. So we had a sheet of rainbow vinyl. So what glitters came in this month? Let me show you. It's really cool. Okay, so we had 7 glitters in the deluxe box. Wicket, Groovy. We also had this one, the Bee's Knees. Don't worry, I'm going to come back and show you guys all of them. Totally Rad, Tubular, totally rad, Tubular, Hot to Trot, all back in the 80s, right? And Cool Beans. So those are our 7. Let's go ahead and let me show you all of them. So first, let's do Cool Beans. It's a really pretty blue. It's a fine glitter. It's got kind of a shift to it. You see that? Looks like diamonds down there, right? Let me bring it a little closer. And that's Cool Beans. Really pretty. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it on, but I will. This one is called the Wicked. My sister uses that word a lot. She's like, oh, those are some wicked sales there. But anyway, here's what Wicked looks like. Isn't that pretty too? Oh, had some glitter on there. We don't want to contaminate a brand new glitter. Let's pour that down. Look at that green. The greens and teals from M&C Glitter Co are amazing. Next up is Groovy. Now Groovy has like it reminds me of chai tea kind of. I don't know why, but it's kind of orangey brown, and it's also, look at that shine, man. Imagine that under epoxy or wherever you're gonna put it. This one is called the Bee's Knees. She always has amazing names. And look at this gold. I'm telling you, this is gonna be one of my favorite go-to golds. Look at that, how pretty. All right, next up we have a couple of the chunky ones, the mixes. So this is Hot to Trot. This one reminds me of autumn. Now the theme for this box was with camping and everything, and I didn't show you guys. There's also things to make s'mores, so but you know those are not there anymore. Hot to Trot, here we go. It's got some orange and some reds in there, some gold, really pretty. The next chunky mix is Tubular. Again, M&C Glitter Co has the prettiest teals and blues and greens. You see all the glitter. I haven't met one I don't like. I said met. Here we go. Look at that. And I like that you can see the pieces. It's like shattered glass kind of, and see. Really pretty. Totally Rad is our final one. And let's dump this one out. Let me show you what it looks like. Look at that in the bag. Pour it out. Let's pour that out. I'm having difficulties here. Ooh, look at that. I should put some more on there, I think. But look at that. You can see that. Yeah. Put some more. Look at that. Isn't that a pretty red? You can shop mcglitterco.com online and use code CraftLady for a discount. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video.